Well, good Friday afternoon, everybody. The final day of January, and I thought we'd start out by taking a look at this month and comparing it to some of the warmer Januaries we've had in the past. So 2020 right now is currently ranked third in the list with an average temperature of 38.4 degrees. Now, we'll have to wait till tomorrow to get the official numbers, but this is where we were as of yesterday morning. Now, the warmest January of all time, just by a tenth, 38.9 degrees back in 1932. So we have had some warmer Januaries out there, but it's been quite a distance in our historic memories. No real cold air to speak of, at least long term, at least settling in the lower 48 right now. Yeah, we got some upper 20s, maybe across parts of the Dakotas, but that probably feels warm for them. We do have the cold air. It's bottled up here in northern Canada and parts of the North Pole. Of course, that's the polar vortex that we hear about. Seems like every winter the media tries to spill that up. Well, the vortex is exactly where it's supposed to be right now, but it's so strong that it really it's been staying put right across the North Pole, and that's been locking up a lot of this cold air. I mean, we have temperatures between 35 and 45 below zero right now. So the cold air is up there. There are signs that some of that may try to drain down towards the lower 48 second half of February. We'll watch for that. But certainly not this weekend. We do have a storm system that's passing offshore tonight and tomorrow. It's going to be followed by cooler, breezy conditions on Sunday, and then a mild stretch here to start next week before we cool things down again by the end of next week, and we could be talking about some more mixed precipitation. We'll talk about that in a moment or two. Temperatures in the lower 40s right now outside of BTV studios, and winds are coming out of the southwest. That's important because, of course, that's a warmer wind direction, and that's why we're not talking about any significant snowfall, at least not anytime in the next few hours. There is some marginally cooler air out from Fitchburg, Worcester, Hartford, points north and west. And so as the storm system comes closer tonight, at least makes its closest path, it's possible that some of this cooler air may drain down. And if that were to happen, we could see some snow showers mixing in with some rain showers. It seems to be Bridgewater might be about the northwest extent of that. I think as you go towards the Cape and South Coast, you probably have more likely seeing some precip overnight. Here it is right now. It's gathering some organization across parts of the southeastern part of the country. Decent rain right now in North Carolina, parts of Virginia. And if you look closely, we do have some mixed precipitation, some snowfall coming into the mountains of the Carolinas and Virginia. So there is some marginally cool air, not too far away. But again, this is not really a tightly wrapped up system. It hasn't really formed yet. It will eventually bomb out as it gets up here towards Nova Scotia and Newfoundland, similar to what storm systems have been doing here recently, but that would be too far north and east to really have a major impact on New England. It's not to say that we won't have unsettled conditions over the next 24 hours or so, and but again, it's not going to be a major storm. Here it is off the coastline tomorrow morning, so don't be surprised. It's going to be cloudy skies. There'll be some rain and snow showers out there. There could even be a minor accumulation here and there, especially on the grassy surfaces if you get that. So keep that in mind. And then we have some snowfall out to our west that's kind of lingering. This is part of an upper level system that's going to be circulating down and moving across our area tomorrow night. And I think that could be the best chance for any minor accumulations as we go tomorrow night into the early Sunday morning. As for tonight, models are hinting there could be some snow showers around. Don't be surprised if you see that, or even a brief period of some steady light snow, temperatures down in the lower 30s. Now, it's Friday, so we get to talk about climate. And the National Weather Service and NOAA released their climate forecast for the next 2 weeks or so. So here's our temperatures for the next 6 to 10 days. It does appear that they will be near or above normal across much of the eastern half of the country. But notice we're starting to see some below normal temps moving into parts of the western half of the country. And as we advance this to overall in the month of February, the Weather Service does feel that these cooler temperatures may start to navigate off to the east. So it is possible, if you are a snow lover, that you could see some more favorable conditions towards the second half of February. That's basically what we're looking at right now. If you're a skier, there's no reason you should not be heading north this weekend. Ski conditions have been fantastic, and they continue to be as you head up towards maybe the Northeast Kingdom of Vermont, maybe northern New Hampshire. We're talking about temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, both Saturday and Sunday, maybe some snow showers coming in on Sunday. But they have a snowpack up there, by the way, of about 2 feet. So certainly take advantage of that. Again, slight rain and snow showers for us tomorrow. We're not going to be skiing on this, but you know, if you're really a diehard for winter weather, maybe you'll get a cheap thrill here at some point on your Saturday afternoon. Highs generally in the low 40s, so not looking for any significant accumulation. Sunday, it's mostly cloudy with temperatures back up into the mid 40s here, but they'll also feel cooler with that breezy conditions coming in from the storm system as it moves offshore. Now, Monday, if you're looking for an excuse to play hooky after the Super Bowl, we're going to have sunny skies, temperatures in the mid 50s. It'll actually feel closer to 60 here, so that might be the day to do it. We will cloud up again in the middle of next week. Temperatures will stay mild, but conditions become unsettled, and we may cool down by the end of next week. We'll take a look at that on Monday.